The surprising truth: why exercise might not be the weight loss hero you think. The common belief is that exercise is a surefire way to shed pounds, but the reality is more complex. While it's true that burning calories through physical activity is a fundamental weight loss strategy, the relationship between exercise and weight loss is not as straightforward as it seems. This paradox leaves many scratching their heads, wondering why their workouts aren't translating into significant weight loss. The weight loss equation is simple: burn more calories than you consume. However, expert Rachel Woods reveals that this principle, though sound, often proves challenging in practice. Many individuals incorporate exercise into their weight loss journey, but research suggests that its impact on weight loss might be less significant than we think. This is where the controversy begins. But before you consider abandoning your fitness routine, consider this: exercise is a vital component of overall health and may be particularly crucial in maintaining weight loss. So, why doesn't exercise always lead to dramatic weight loss? The answer lies in several physiological processes. Firstly, exercise can stimulate your appetite, potentially leading to increased food intake. Additionally, people might unconsciously reduce their activity levels throughout the day after a workout, diminishing the overall calorie deficit from exercise. This is a crucial point that often goes unnoticed. Another factor is the body's metabolic adaptation. Over time, your body becomes more efficient at performing the same activities, burning fewer calories. This evolutionary mechanism helped our ancestors survive during periods of intense physical exertion, but in modern times it can hinder weight loss efforts. Interestingly, research involving over 1,100 participants revealed that physical activity had a minimal impact on initial weight loss. However, engaging in higher levels of activity after weight loss was strongly correlated with maintaining that loss. This study underscores the importance of exercise in weight maintenance. Moreover, exercise brings about numerous health improvements, such as better cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and enhanced blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. These benefits are linked to a lower risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Combining exercise with weight loss medications like Saxenda may further enhance weight maintenance, according to evidence. But the question remains: why does exercise seem to help prevent weight regain but not always promote weight loss? The reasons behind this paradox are multifaceted. One explanation involves resting energy expenditure, which decreases more than expected when we lose weight, potentially leading to weight regain. Exercise, however, increases total daily energy expenditure, helping to counteract this effect. Muscle mass plays a significant role too. Weight loss often results in the loss of both fat and muscle, and losing muscle lowers resting energy expenditure. Resistance training, such as Pilates or weightlifting, can preserve or rebuild muscle mass, boosting metabolism and supporting long-term weight maintenance. Exercise also enhances the body's ability to burn fat and improves metabolic flexibility, allowing the body to switch between burning carbohydrates and fat efficiently. Additionally, exercise improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the amount of insulin needed to regulate blood sugar and, consequently, fat storage. Exercise has various indirect benefits, such as improving sleep, mood, and stress levels, which can reduce the stress hormone cortisol and potentially decrease fat storage. It can also help regulate appetite and blood glucose, reducing cravings and overeating. It's essential to recognize that individual responses to exercise vary. Different workouts offer unique advantages for health and weight maintenance. Aerobic exercises burn calories and may enhance fat-burning capabilities, while resistance training supports muscle mass and resting energy expenditure. While exercise might not be the primary driver of weight loss, it is a valuable tool for maintaining hard-won weight loss and promoting overall health. The benefits of exercise extend far beyond the scale, impacting both physical and mental well-being. Rachel Woods, a senior lecturer in physiology at the University of Lincoln, invites us to reconsider the role of exercise in weight loss and encourages further exploration of this fascinating paradox.